Hello friends, so we are looking at weekly chart of Nifty, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how Nifty is like to move, what does the technical analysis indicate, and how you can profit from that. So some critical levels will be discussed, and you can use those levels to actually make money in the market. And this is going to be useful for live market. So it's not just theory. So let's take a look at chart. So if you look at it, if you look at the last week's movement, we are seeing a green candle over here, and with a huge gap of around 6 8 weeks. So in between there is small green candle, but we can ignore that because it's too small. Basically, it also had some significance, but now this is having bigger significance. Now, if you look at the technical patterns as such, then it is actually showing some support at lower level, which is evident. It Nifty I think went down to around 23, 260 to 265 levels, and then from there there's a bounce back. To my mind, I think the bounce back was mainly in anticipation of the results, the state government election results in Maharashtra and Jharkhand. So there also we are seeing actually a split kind of decision. Maharashtra, which had a bigger number of seats, there we are seeing BJP coalition actually ruling the state, and in Jharkhand it's the opposite. So in terms of say equation as such, not much has changed, but what is like to happen is. If there's a follow-up buying based on this on Monday, and if Nifty sustains above say 24,050 or 24,100, then there's a scope of some further covering. So for me, the critical level to look at for Nifty is around 24,500. Though it is still around say 500 points, 500 550 points away from the current level. Uh, and that level, if it's crossed and it is sustained, then we can see Nifty going up further. But for the time being, it is at like huge distance from the current level. So tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday's movement would be critical. If this week we see continuation of this rally, then we can take a further view. For the time being, I think we should be cautious. On downside, what you can do is the view is actually it can turn choppy because it is the first short covering that we are seeing, and it can turn choppy. So stop losses on both sides can get hit. So one strategy is obviously because the support that we are seeing. One study is you can actually sell put at around 23,500 level to pocket the premium, and buy put at around 23,000 level. So that you can do. And on the upside, as I said, 24,500 is a critical level. So around 24, 200, 300 call, or even 24,500 call you can sell, and 200, 300 points above that level you can actually create a credit spread. So for Nifty, for the time being, is like to be volatile, choppy in the near term. So keep your fingers crossed. So that's the view for Nifty. So I'm going to share some critical levels, Fibonacci levels, for you to help you in your trading. So let's take a look at those levels. So 23,435, as you can see, is a critical level to look at, and on the upside 24,521 is a critical resistance level to look at. Let's look at daily chart now. So looking at the daily chart, I think we need to cross this level 24,050, 24,100, and then we can take a look at further upside. So you can see over here, Nifty has actually taken support closer to this average, and this peak 24,500 plus, that level needs to be crossed with conviction. So those are important levels. Before that, 24,397 is a important level, and below the current level of 23,907. 23,800 is a support level. So that those levels, I think you can buy the leading stocks for Nifty for investments, whatever you like. So that you can choose based on your advisor. So that's about it. I think if you like this clear crisp views, then I think you can subscribe to my channel, like it, hit the notification button, circulate the challenge channel to your friend circle in your uh, groups, social media groups, and I'll meet you in next week's video. Thank you.